International Holocaust Remembrance Day. Meaning International Holocaust Remembrance Day is a day established by the United Nations for the purpose of commemorating and remembering the victims of the Holocaust. The day is distinct from other observances related to World War II, such as those marking significant events in the war or honoring veterans, in that it's specifically devoted to remembering the victims of the Holocaust, 6 million Jews, including 1.5 million Jewish children, and millions of others. In addition to targeting the Jews for extermination, the Nazis also systematically murdered members of many other ethnic, social, and political groups, including prisoners of war, communists, the Roma people, people with disabilities, and members of the LGBTQ+ community. Observance of International Holocaust Remembrance Day often involves educational and other events focused on the commemoration of victims, the prevention of genocide, and efforts to combat Holocaust denial and anti-Semitism. The week during which the day falls is observed as Holocaust Remembrance Week.